Hello students, welcome back to Maths online class. We are doing a new chapter, that is shapes and patterns, chapter number 4. So yesterday we have started this chapter, and yesterday we have done some plain figures, how to draw some plain figures, and we have also colored those figures like triangles, circle, rectangle, squares, stars, oval shape, then cylinder. All those shapes we have yesterday drawn and colored it. Okay, so today we are going to do something from the textbook. Okay children, so please take out page number 49 from your textbook and be ready with your pencils and color pencil and erasers as well. Okay, so let us start from the textbook. Okay, the first thing is let's recall. Let's recall means whatever you have done in your KG class, we are continuing with that. We are just making you to remember what we have done there. So what is there? Color the following as per the given instructions. Okay, what is the instruction given? You have to color this picture. Okay, this is a doll and a ball and there is another toy. Okay, so you have to color this according to the instructions given here. So what is the instruction given? All the circles to be colored red color, all the triangles to be colored green, all the rectangles to be colored yellow, and all the squares to be colored in blue color. So let us do it. Okay, so children, I will not color the picture, just I will be showing you. Okay, just I will be showing you which color to be done where. Alright, so let us do it. So first one is red color, isn't it? All the circles to be done in red color. So first of all, this ball is to be done red color. Okay, then the cap of this one on the top should be red color. The ears of this toy should be in red color, the doll. Okay, and the eyes, it is also, no, it is also circle. So the eyes, the round shape, that one also should be in red color. The wheel of this toy should be red color. Okay, you have to color it nicely. Any more? Yes, the eyes of this toy is also red color. Alright, the eyes, only the eyes. So anything I left out? Anything left out to be colored red? Any more circles? I can't find any more. If you get, you may do it. Okay, so the next one is green color. So what you have to do? Green, you have to color all the triangles in green color. So the first triangle is the cap, isn't it? It is taking, so you have to color it with green color. It is taking the shape of a triangle. The next one, the nose of this doll is green color, is triangle, so you have to color that one in green. And the tail of the toy, okay, the ears of this toy horse, isn't it? You have to color it in green. Any more triangle shape? Can you find any more triangle shapes? I am not able to find. So if you get, you may do it. Okay, so the next one is all the rectangles to be colored with yellow. So let us do yellow color for all the rectangles. Where are the rectangles? The hands, isn't it? This one is rectangle in shape. This is also rectangle in shape. The legs are rectangle in shape. This one, isn't it? All these are rectangle in shape. Now the toe, this one is also rectangle. This part is also rectangle. The mouth of this one is also, isn't it? Only the eyes will be red and the remaining mouth face will be yellow color. Then there are more rectangles. Any more rectangles? Any more rectangles can you find? Yeah, only this much, isn't it? Now blue color. Where you are going to put blue color? Blue color you will put in square. Exactly, it is not square type also, but little smaller than the rectangle. And let us call it as square only. Okay, so here you will put blue color. Oh sorry, this should be blue, isn't it? So let us choose blue. Okay, so this one blue color. Here it is blue. Here blue color. Here also blue. Here also blue color. Okay, this one blue, the neck of the toy, this part, okay, this part, okay, blue color, and this body should be blue color, neck should also be blue color, okay. Then what should be blue color? This part also should be blue color. Then anything left? Nothing is left, but we have left one part to be colored red, isn't it? The face of this doll is also circle, isn't it? So the face of this doll should also be colored with red color. Okay, children, so you have to color it nicely. I have shown you which color to be applied where. Okay, all right. Now let us do the second, okay, number 2. This one is number 1, written here number 1, okay, in your book. Now number 2, what is the question? I hope this one is clear for all of you, and I'm sure you have enjoyed also coloring this one, right? Color nicely and make your book beautiful, okay? Now let us do number 2. Okay, number 2 is, what is the question? Count the circles, triangles, rectangles and squares. Okay, so you have to count how many circles are there and write it down here. How many triangles are there, count and write here. How many rectangles are there, count and write here. And how many squares are there, count it and write here. Okay, so let us count. At first we will count the circles. Okay, we have to first write about the circle. So let us count. This is the first circle, no? 1. Then in this line there is no other circle, there is one more circle, 2. Okay, then here no circle, this is the third one, 3 circles. Then 4. Any more circles? No, I have got only 4 circles. Once more let us count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we got 4 circles, right? So let us write here 4. Let us write here 4. This is one. So let us start writing here. How many are there? 4 circles are there. So we have written it 4. So now what is the next question? There are dash triangles. How many triangles are there? Let us count. First one is on 1. This is also a triangle, 2. Then no more in the first line. This one 3. Then 4, 5. Yes. Then 6. Then 7. Isn't it? Let us count once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So how many triangles we got here? We got 7 triangles. So children, write it down with me. Okay, so this is 4. Okay, don't write 41. Now next is what we are going to count. We are going to count the rectangles. So how many rectangles are there? From the first line, 1. Then this is another one, 2. Then 3. Then 3 and 4, 5. Isn't it? Let's count once more. 1, 2. Then 3, right? Then any more? 4 and 5. So 5 rectangles are there. Okay children, write it down, okay, with pencil. Here no need to color these figures. Okay, so how many squares are there? The last one is squares. How many squares are there? Let us count. In the first line there is only one square. Okay, then here this is another one, 2. Okay, 2, then 3. Any more? No, only 3 squares, right? Let us count once more. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 squares. Okay, so total figures how many? 10, 14, 19, isn't it? Let us simply count and see how many are there. Okay, how many figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, and we have written about all the figures here. You add all this. 4 plus 5, 9, isn't it? 9 plus 7 is 9, 10, 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So total figures 19, and we have written about all the 19 figures. Okay, we have not left any of the figures. Alright, so this one no need to color, only you will be writing. So what we have learned today? Today we have learned how to identify different shapes, okay, by counting and writing it, okay, and also by coloring the shapes, okay, by coloring the circle shape with same color, the triangles with same color, rectangles with same color. In this way we have learned how to identify different shapes. Okay children, so I hope you enjoyed today's class and you have made your book colorful. So only this much in today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.